Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can translate from an image to text with Google Translate. Alright guys, first of all, open your Google Translate application on your phone. But if you don't have the Google Translate installed on your phone, you can go to your Google application or the Google Chrome application on your phone. Then you're going to search for the Google Translate, and after that, the Google Translate will appear on your Google or the Google Chrome. And if you want to translate from an image to text, you can simply click on this camera button or the camera icon right here, and you can take a photo of words to translate, or you can also upload a photo from your gallery. If you want to upload a photo from your device or your gallery, you can simply click on this option. But before it, we have to select the language we want to translate. And for example, I'm going to translate from English language to Indonesian language. So I'm just gonna select the English. Okay, select English. Okay, and now let's just start uploading the photo that we want to translate. Tap on this button, then I'm gonna go with this photo. Okay, and you just need to wait until the process is completed. Okay, and now as you can see that the photo has been translated, and this is the result. And if you want to copy the text, you can click on select all right here, then click on copy text. Okay, and now the text has been copied to the clipboard. Alright guys, and that's how we can translate an image with Google Translate. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.